Cormac's Diner. Emily speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation for this evening. Do you have any tables available for 4?
Yes, we do. We have a table available at 8:30 p.m.
You don't have anything earlier, do you? That's a little too late for me.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid we don't.
Oh, what a shame.
Would you still like to reserve the table for 4 at 8:30?
No, thank you. I'll have to pass this time. Thank you for your help anyway.
Sorry I couldn't help. Maybe next time.
Yeah, thanks anyway.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Cortino Dining, this is Edward speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Edward. I'd like to book a table for 2 tonight.
Yes, of course. What time would that be for?
Do you have any tables available for 6 p.m.?
Unfortunately, we don't have any tables open at that time, but we do have a table for 2 available for 7 p.m. Would that be all right with you?
Oh, yes. That shouldn't be a problem.
Excellent. And what name would you like the reservation under?
Steve Bean.
Thank you, Mr. Bean. A table for 2 has been reserved for you at 7 this evening.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome. See you later this evening, Mr. Bean.
Bye.
Goodbye. Good evening. Welcome to Cortino Dining.
Evening. I made a reservation for 2 this evening at 7. Under the name Steve Bean.
Ah, yes, Mr. Bean. Please follow me this way. I'll show you to your table right away.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Oh, what a stunning view.
Oh, yes, it's gorgeous.
There isn't a bad seat in the restaurant. But I think you may have the best seats tonight.
Today must be our lucky day.
Seems like it.
Here are your menus. Our specials this evening are a filet with horseradish, whipped cream, Swiss chive mashed potatoes with sugar roasted carrots, as well as a Parmesan crusted ribeye with basil infused caramelized onion and tenderized cauliflower that's covered with goat cheese and cilantro.
Ooh, sounds delectable.
My name is Edward, and I will be your waiter for this evening. We also have some delicious chef-recommended seasonal dishes that you might be interested in trying. On page 4 of the menu, I would highly recommend the mango marinated chicken fillet. It's currently a customer favorite.
That sounds appetizing.
In the meantime, can I get you started with something to drink?
We haven't decided yet. So could you give us a few more minutes?
Of course, take your time, and let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.
We will. Thank you, Edward.
My pleasure.
Have you decided on your drink, hon?
I think I'll decide on some house red. How about you, hun?
Since I drove tonight, I think I'll stick to something non-alcoholic. Shall I call the waiter?
Sure.
Excuse me.
May I start you out with drinks?
Yes. I'll have a glass of house red.
Certainly, madam. And for you, sir?
Just a glass of lemonade.
Of course. And would you like to order any appetizers?
I'm fine. Hon, how about you?
I'm good too. We'll pass on the appetizers.
Certainly. Are you ready to place your food order then?
Hun, have you decided?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Okay then. I'll have the chef-recommended mango marinated chicken fillet.
Excellent choice. And for you, madam?
I'll have the garlic steak.
And how would you like your steak done?
Medium rare, please.
Noted. And for your side dishes? We have either mashed potatoes, green salad, or French fries.
I'll go with the French fries.
And I'll have the green salad.
Okay. Would you like to try any of our desserts after your meal?
Yes, we'd love to try your famous mango sorbet. I hear it's legendary.
It certainly is. It's what made Cortino famous.
Do you recommend any other flavors?
I recommend the coconut sorbet. That's what I always have, and it's just as popular.
Then we'd like to order one of each.
One coconut and one mango sorbet?
Yes.
Excellent. Would that be all for tonight?
Yes, I think that will do it.
Perfect. Then I'll be right back with your drinks. It won't be long.
Thank you, Edward.
Edward, if I could settle the bill now?
Yes, of course. Just one moment.
Let's split the bill tonight, hon.
No, this one's on me, sweetheart. I insist.
Really?
Don't be silly. You treated me last time. Let me do the honors this time.
I can't argue with that.
And here is your bill. Did you both enjoy your meal tonight?
It was wonderful. All the dishes were amazing, especially the mango sorbet.
Oh, it was exquisite from beginning to end.
I'm very glad to hear it.
I've left a worthy tip for you because of your excellent service this evening.
That's very generous of you. Thank you very much.
No, the pleasure was mine. We'll be definitely coming back again.
We'd love to welcome you back anytime. Enjoy the rest of your evening, Mr. Bean.
See you again, Edward.
Good night, Edward.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.